Welcome back to the Barbecue Lab. My name is David Gafford, and today we're going to take an in-depth look at the GrillGun, and we've got it all coming up right now. If you're anything like me, getting the fire lit on the barbecue grill or the offset smoker or the campfire or the fire pit in the backyard, whatever it might be, it's one of the things that I don't really enjoy about the whole cooking process because sometimes it just takes so dang long to get the fire lit up. So a lot of times we'll use a charcoal chimney to get the charcoal lit up, or we'll actually take a fire starter and put it underneath a little bit of charcoal and get it started up that way. But you're talking 20-25 minutes till you have a fire that you're ready to cook on. And a lot of times that takes you out of having the ability to use charcoal and wood during the week because you just don't have that much time after you get back home from work. Now, this is where these fire starter accessories come in, and GrillGun is one of my personal favorites. Now, if you haven't ever seen the GrillGun, it's a flamethrower that you hook up to either a propane canister, or you can hook it up to a 20-pound propane canister, or you can, there's a bunch of different ways to hook it up. But it runs on propane, and you have a little attachment here that hooks up to either a canister or a hose that goes to a canister. And it's as simple as just pulling the trigger to ignite the flame off of the end, and you can use this red dial to control how much propane is exiting the barrel. Now, you can have everything from a small flame coming out the end to everything to a flame coming out the end. And let me tell you, there's no better way I've found, or at least no more fun way, to light your charcoal or light your fire than using the GrillGun. Now, a couple things that I want to note about this. The GrillGun is something that you look at and you say, okay, wow, that looks like a fun toy. Well, let's just be honest. You got to be careful whenever you're working and or playing with fire. This is meant to be a flamethrower or blowtorch type utility device, and it's not to be played with unresponsibly. So what I'd like to say is be careful if you're going to get the GrillGun. This is not just a toy. This is something that you utilize to be able to light your fire. Now, all of that being said, the GrillGun is relatively easy to use. It's as easy as turning this little knob counterclockwise, and that lets the propane begin to flow through the unit. And as soon as you hear propane beginning to flow, you simply hit the trigger, and that ignites the propane coming out the end. Then you have two choices. You can either continue to unloosen this knob and get more propane flowing out the end, or you have this grip trigger down here. You simply depress the safety device, and you can press in this trigger, and that releases all of the propane that you could get as if you would actually take this and release it all of the way. So you can have everything from a small fire to quite the extensive flame shooting out the end of the GrillGun. And I have to say, this has become one of my go-to favorites for lighting my Kamado grill and my fire pit here at the house in the studio. So I can't think of a better way to show you how the GrillGun works than to get outside and just put it into action. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's head outside and let's show you how it works.
Pick it up, right?
That'll do.
All right, that is how the GrillGun works. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button down below. And if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you subscribe. We're always putting out new content on barbecue, outdoor cooking, and outdoor living, and we'd love to have you join us for future episodes. If you're interested in the GrillGun, why don't you go ahead and check out the link in the description below. It'll give you a chance to be able to find out what it's currently priced at and where it's available for purchase. And we'll have all of those links and that information down below in the description for you. I'm David Gafford from the Barbecue Lab, and I want to say thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you next time.